Okay, I've got my pasta drained, and now I'm going to pour it into the sauce. Get all the strands out of there. And I'm building quite a mess here. So, the pasta is almost cooked through. So really it only needs a very short time in the sauce. You just want to make sure your pasta is completely coated. Again, this is going to let it absorb all the flavors. It's much better than simply putting pasta on a plate and pouring your sauce on top. Then you get some pasta that has sauce and some that doesn't. So that is looking pretty tasty, and I'd say my chicken is just about done. Oh yeah, yes indeed. Alright, so cast iron pots will get very hot. Oh, and another FYI, especially if you have children in the house, but adults are equally as susceptible. When you're cooking, you want to try and keep your pan's handles, you don't want them sticking out away from the stove, because a child, anybody can come walking by and hit that handle, and before you know it, they have a screaming hot pan all over them. So just another little helpful tip. I think I might have learned that in home economics back in junior high. But anyway, I'm going to let this chicken sit on this cutting board for just a little while, maybe somewhere around 8 minutes or so, 8 to 10 minutes. And I know you're probably thinking, oh, well, isn't it going to get cold? Well, no. It's definitely going to cool. But what happens is, if you cut into it at this point, all your juices that are locked inside are going to come pouring out. Whereas if you let your meat rest and you cut into it, the juices have had a chance to reabsorb back into the protein. So, alright, we're going to let that sit. The sauce and the pasta are ready, and just as soon as this chicken has rested, I'm going to slice that up and then we'll plate it. So we'll be done here shortly.